Welcome back, everyone. Believe it or not, Instagram is now going to allow us to pretty much have our feed chronologically or algorithmically, whatever they're going to call it, on Instagram. And there's a really easy way to change this. Now, as always, this is an ongoing release, so it may not be out to you right now, like it isn't for me right now, but as soon as you get it, you can check to see if you have the ability to do so. Again, we're ongoing rolling basis, so it's not out for everybody yet. But to do it, what you want to do is you want to update your Instagram application. So you want to go into your Instagram app, under the App Store, and you want to go and update to it. As long as it says open here, then you're pretty much good to go. But if it does says update, if it says install, then you have to install. But if it says update, go ahead and install and update the application. And once it's updated, what you can do is you can make your way over to your main page of your Instagram application right here. And up top on the top left, you'll actually see that Instagram logo. But what you can do is you can click on that Instagram logo, and there should be a little drop down that comes down. So that drop down will pretty much allow you to go ahead and choose two different options. So again, you click there. If you see a little arrow pointing down, then you're pretty much good to go. Now within this article from Insider, it actually stated that if you go ahead and see that Instagram logo up there, you see that little drop down arrow, you can actually choose it from following and favorites. So following, I'm sure, is just your following. It's just like the chronological feed or whatever. But favorites is probably the algorithm. That's probably a better way to go ahead and describe it. And that is pretty much it. That's exactly how to do it. So then you can go ahead and choose whichever way you want to go ahead and figure it out. So it says, favorites option, which allows you to create a slimmed down chronological feed that displays posts only from selected accounts. That's another option you have there too. And that's another very basic thing you have the opportunity of doing. So that is pretty much how to do it. It's a new feature. It's going to be ongoing, like I mentioned. So it's only a matter of time before you get it. But that's pretty much it. If you have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button. That would mean so much. But definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.